Hey, what's happening, peeps? This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from a city north of Atlanta called Calhoun, Georgia. I was up here a couple of weeks ago, and I'm back up here doing some work and make sure this thing here is good. And real quick, have you guys been having a challenge getting leads, sales, and signups with Facebook? And in this video right here, I'm going to tell you guys how to do it. All right. What you need to do is at 9 p.m. Eastern time, you need to log in, click on the link below. You're going to see the link below. I'm not going to put it in the description. Click on the link below in the comments. Go ahead and sign up for this free webinar. You're going to hear my friend Erin tell you what she did to generate 6 figures in 6 months. Now, I don't know if everybody out there making 6 figures that's watching this. I'm not. I'm straight up transparent, but I know that Erin is a beast when it comes to marketing on Facebook. So it's there. The link is there. I'm not going to make this a long Facebook Live, and that is because I'm on other business. So I wanted to make sure I got this out there because I know this training works. I've generated leads with Facebook. I've generated sales with Facebook, and I've also generated signups with Facebook. I keep saying the S on the end, Facebooks. How many Facebooks are there? All right, so I hope you guys got some value on this out of this webinar, and I look forward to seeing you tonight, 9 p.m. Eastern. The link will be in the comments. See, if you really want to go, you'll find the link in the comments. So that's determination. That's when you know you're really ready to change your business, when you follow instructions. All right, and not keep trying to do it in ways that don't work. I've tried to do ways that don't work, and they don't work. All right, so you might as well listen to someone who has the experience, who's vetted, who's a documented leader, and she'll be on tonight. Erin, killing the game with Facebook, you know, showing you how to get free traffic to your offers, to your websites, webinars, whatever you got going on. Once again, the link will be in the comments. I'm going to stop the video right now and put the link in the comments. And if you want to get access to my personal email list, where I send out a marketing nugget or two every day, inbox me and I'll go ahead and add you to the list. All right, have a great day. Peace.